my face, wanna know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so high. Yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your Bria'Na. If you don't know, now you know, and now we are best friends. Sis, nice to meet you. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on social media, all that stuff, okay? So in today's video, we are doing a 3-strand twist out. This is my first time, and first off, I'm gonna show y'all what I use. I use this Cream of Nature argan oil, like leave-in curl milk, right? I love it. It smells good. Also use some Eco for my ends, and of course, you're gonna need some detangling tools, a clip, and stuff. I'm also going to put this Pro Growth oil on my scalp. And girl, I gotta show y'all my hair. First off, it's freshly washed and conditioned, whoop whoop. But y'all, do y'all see my hair? Like, hold on. Do you see the problem, sis? I literally have heat damage on the whole left side of my hair. What is going on? Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna take y'all back to when I did my silk press, right? If you know me, you know I don't straighten my hair a lot. I literally only did this silk press for a video. And y'all, I don't even understand how the right side of my head is perfectly fine, but the left side, my ends specifically, are heat damaged AF. So yeah, we're just gonna have to rock some protective styles for a minute because girl, this is not it. But anyways, to get rid of this problem, I'm gonna be using some perm bras on my ends, because the left side does not curl up on its own. So yeah, y'all, enough about my heat damage. Let's get started, okay? Also just did a deep conditioning mask. This was the Pantene Go Series repairing mask. I love it. I don't know if it did much for my hair, but it smells really nice and I like the consistency. But anyways, let's get started. So I want my twist outs to be formed in the middle part. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna do. And yeah, y'all know me. My little trick to get really crisp parts is to put some gel or some jam around your hair and on your scalp as you part, and it'll just make you have the best parts ever, girl, okay? So now I'm gonna brush that down so it can stay situated, and I am going to section off one whole half of my hair. So yeah, I really wanted to try the 3-strand twist out. First off, the first time I saw it was on TikTok, and the girl's curls just came out so defined and so perfect, and that's really what I need right now, especially me dealing with all these issues with my hair, girl. So you want to make sure that your hair is well moisturized. So I put a good amount of that cream. To be honest, I should have put like another product on top of this cream. So if you put in a leave-in, put like a styling cream on top so your hair can really hold its form throughout the night, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just gonna put some gel on my ends so it can like really stick and form to the perm rod. And then I'm hopefully gonna turn around and be able to show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, all you're gonna do is separate your hair into 3 strands. And we're going to label these strands number 1, number 2, number 3 from left to right, right? So once you have your 3 sections, all you're going to do is take the section from the left side and pull it all the way over to the right. And the only difficult thing about a 3-strand twist is the fact that you're not crisscrossing them to form it into a braid. You have to keep the section separated as you're pulling the strand from the left side to the right. Literally, that's all you do, and you go down the hair. I hope that makes sense. So let's rewind a little bit, right? We have sections 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna take number 1, bring it all the way to the right side. Now you have section 2 in the front, and you're gonna take section 2, bring it all the way to the right side. And now you have section 3 in the front. You're gonna take section 3 and bring it all the way over to the right side, while keeping the sections separated. And then you're just going to continue to do that all the way down. So once you get to the end of your 3-strand twist, you're going to want to leave some hair out, add some extra jam or gel, and you're going to wrap that hair around your perm rod. You just want to make sure that you wrap your hair all the way up and it's fully secure, so your perm rod doesn't come off like throughout the day or when you're sleeping, okay? So yeah, I'm going to do one whole side of my hair because it's kind of self-explanatory once you get the hang of it, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna continue to let you guys watch, okay? So I'm probably gonna let some music play and just shut up a little bit because it's kind of easier to go along with what's on the screen versus going along with what's coming out of my mouth, okay? Because sometimes I don't know how to explain what I want to say. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so one issue I had with the 3-strand twist out was my roots were very, very puffy. So for one, like I said earlier, if you add an extra styling cream on top of your leave-in, you should not have this problem. Also, you can get rid of the poofiness if you add some jam or some edge control to the roots of your hair like I did the front of my hair. Also, make sure that you wrap your hair down with a silk or satin scarf, because the pressure from the scarf will alleviate some of that puffiness. So yeah, once you get the hang of the 3-strand twist, it's really easy to do, and it's so easy to put in and take out of your hair. So yeah, like, it takes half the time to take this twist out versus taking a braid out. You know what I mean? So I highly recommend the 3-strand twist out. It just takes a little bit of patience to learn it in the beginning, but that's just like any other hairstyle. So yeah. Also, if you want to add some shine to your hair, make sure that your hair smells really good. Put a little bit of oil in your hands and rub your hands throughout your twist before taking them out. This adds shine, it adds a good scent, and it just makes sure that your hair looks nice, bouncy, and healthy, right? It also gets rid of all of the fluffiness and the frizz. If you don't like frizz, make sure that you add a little bit of oil to your hands, but don't add too much, because then your hair will be oily and stringy. And then you're just going to separate the twist and separate the hair where the hair wants to separate. That also gets rid of frizziness. Now, once I did all of that, it is time to fluff. So you're going to want to take either a pig or a wide tooth comb, and you're going to want to fluff and make your hair big, because that just pulls the style together for me. And also, you're going to notice that I have a problem with the left side of my hair. So to make the right side match the left side, I'm going to stretch my roots out just a little bit. Don't worry, I'm not using heat. Again, I'm not using heat. I'm on the cool setting. I'm also pressing that button at the top of my blow dryer, because that puts out only cool air. And I'm just lightly tugging on the roots with my wide tooth comb, so my hair is more symmetrical, because like I said earlier, y'all, I'm dealing with a lot of heat damage on the left side of my hair. So yeah, once I did all of that, I'm gonna go in on these edges. Okay, honey, when you do your baby hairs, it just brings the whole entire style together. It makes it look so cute. So my favorite edge control right now is the Edge Booster. First of all, it smells so bomb. Like, this is like perfume for your hair. It smells so good. It smells like candy. Like, it makes you want to eat it. And I'm just using my edge brush that I got from a local beauty supply, and I'm going to fleek my edges. Okay, I've been playing around with my baby hairs lately in a little swoop, and it's just so cute to me. Like, it comes out popping. Okay, so yeah, in the end, my twist out looked really cute. It didn't last long because I didn't put much product in my hair. So make sure that you put the right amount of product in your hair. And yeah, y'all, that really wraps up this tutorial. So I hope y'all enjoy. Hope you learned something new. I really hope it was easy to follow. If not, I apologize, and I probably will do an updated one with more products soon. So comment down below if you want to see that, because I promise I'll have better results. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn your push notifications on and follow me on social media so you never miss a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, mamas. Mwah.
Hold it, got the dumpy, yeah, pour it. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it.